Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating some simple refrigerator magnets or the magnetic board magnets that you use in your office or study space using simple things like clothespin, magnet strips and some fabric leaves that I happen to have. You can also use some other patterns and things on it if you like to. I had actually created this some time ago as a fall theme for my refrigerator, but I just did not get enough time to post the video. So here it is. So as you can see, I just put the hot glue on the magnet strip and I am sticking the magnet strip on the clothespin like so, and just press it a bit so it stays put, and we need to just let it dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to pick my hot glue gun, put some hot glue on the other side of the clothespin and stick the fabric leaf on to the other side, and voila, that's about it. So this is one of those minute craft kind of thingies. So yeah, I'm going to repeat the process with a few more of my clothespin. Again, we are going to put the hot glue on one side of the magnet strip, stick it on one side, on the other side we put our fabric leaf. So you know, when you display these on the fridge, it looks really pretty and like a seasonal magnet thing. I'm also going to be creating winter themed magnets like this, and I'll make sure to post the video of those as well. See, they already look so pretty, and the fall color theme looks really wonderful and pleasing to the eye, and since the colors are all warm, I like them even better, especially during this season. So that's about it. Our magnets are almost ready. Here's the last one. There goes the magnet. They're ready to be displayed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.